Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Classes with me. Building on part 2 department average, welcome to part 3 of our 4 parts drive into the scatter plot series, the advanced series in our Python playlist. Here what we will do, we will rank the top performers using sorting and bar charts, trying back to those groups and correlation from the earlier parts. In part 4, the next video, we will polish it with customization. So if you skipped the part 1 or part 2, pause and please watch them. Why I am saying this? Because the dataset and trends flow right into this. So hit the subscribe button and let's spotlight the stars. The top performers. Remember our employee dataset from part 1 and average from part 2. This one, these things, right? We are using the same data frame here to sort and visualize ranking. This one like DF. So we will use short values to order by sales, then sns.bar plot for visual leaderboard. And let's write the code. We will take top performers. Okay? Top. Oops, I think some issue happened. And why it is showing like this? Code. Okay, is it okay? Top performers, we will take top performers here. We'll just give the variable. Okay, we'll write like this, df dot sort values, and in this we will write by what, by sales. Okay, by sales we will do, and we will write ascending here. Ascending is false, we will keep, because as we have told, we will keep this thing from higher to lower. So when ascending is false, it is just same as descending. And we want how many data? We want head equal to 5. That's it, just only 5 data. Okay, let's see, like we have written the code, and let's see the top performers, because I am excited for this. Performers. Okay, that's the top performer, but I need it on a beautiful site. That's why. Yes. Who are the top performers here? We have right Charlie, Evie, Frank, Alice, and Eve. Like by sales, because we have given by sales. Okay? That's why it is coming right now. So that is the thing. And after this, we will do scatter plot. Oh, I am very sorry. The bar plot. The bar plot. So for bar plot, first thing first, we will write figure. Figure we give fixed size. Fixed size same as 8 and 6. That's the thing. Why 8 and 6? Because that's the standard one, I mean to say. After that, we will use SNS dot bar plot. Okay? SNS dot bar plot we will use. We will give use X as name. This name. And also we will use Y also. So Y we will give sales, because we want in sales, right? Because at the end, company focus on how much money you or how much capital you have made for the company. That doesn't matter, you work 20 hours, you work 24 hours, doesn't matter. Like if you work 1 hour and got like a good amount of sales or good amount of capital, you will be on the top. And if you are working 24 hours and got very less amount of sales or no sales, company won't check that, because company runs on capital, company runs on profit. You might see after the COVID era, I mean to say. So data, we will take top performer, and we will take the color as cool warm. Cool warm. This all color you can use anything, your wish. Just I am using it because I found these things cool in my Google search. That's why. We will use plt.title here. What title should we give? Like sales performers or like top 5? It is better to write top 5 sales performers. ठीक है? And font size as usual 14, ठीक है. We will give something else here, that is x label and y label, and also we will give bar label. We will learn about it, so just chill. plt dot x label. In x label, what we have given? We have given name, so we will write name here as well. You can write anything, or you can write employee name, just emp. Oops, what happened? Emp name, and font size as 12. Then plt dot y label. In this we have sales, so we can give sales data or like sales amount. And in this, what font size should we give? 12. ठीक है, that's the thing, nothing else. Right now we will write not plt, we will use a bar label. Bar label is what you know, like what it does, it will take containers, it will take padding. For that we need this one. In bar plot we will use bar label, so for that we have to give, or like we have to give a variable for sns.barplot. So let me write ax equal to sns.barplot, and in this ax we will do some modification, like we will give some containers, like ax dot containers. Like this is the advanced part, that's why I'm using this, because today or tomorrow anyhow you have to take one step ahead from others, and this is where advanced section comes into picture. ठीक है, we will write $d. This all things I will tell what it is all about. Let me write this first. Padding, let's give 3, because see, you can use if else also here, but my motive is to make sure the use of libraries are done to the point. So that's all about it. Let's run it and see what output do we get. So we have some issue here. We have performers. Right now also we have some issue, and this is what we have got. Is not a valid palette name. I don't know why. Cool warm is not working. Let's take this. I would say let's take this. Actually in internet I have seen it was working, but I don't know why. Let's take this and run it. Okay, so we have found this out, because there was a issue in the color. ठीक है, so that's the thing, and let's reduce it a little bit so that you can see it properly, and don't worry about this. This is just a warning, so just chill. ठीक है, so just chill. And this is what all about. This $18,000 is what bar label. ठीक है, in this bar label what we have given dollar, then percentage. ठीक है, percentage d is what numeric. ठीक, if I do not write dollar here, if I give anything else, like if I give Shubham here, then also it will work. ठीक है, it will come Shubham like this and 18,000. ठीक है, 18,000 is what the numeric. If you go for regex, you will be able to know about it. That's what I'm trying to say. And padding is 3, containers 0. Let me run it again. Yeah, that's it. You can write anything. You can write rupees, dollars, whatever you want to do. So okay, let's see what we have done. We have sorted the sales in descending order, and we can see who are in the top 5. And in this label, I mean bar label, we can easily know that Charlie has done a good job by giving a sales of 18,000, and the bar plot we have used Viridis because cool warm was not working. And the bar label, like this one bar label, we have added dollar value right on the bars. ठीक है, the thing is, you know why the thing is, like I've shown you, you can write anything here and percentage means whatever is there in this. Like in SQL, if you write percentage after this dollar, that means anything can come. If you write percentage here like before dollar, anything can come. So that is all about percentage. And what you can see here right now, you can see that these things are getting connected to part 2 of the video series, like how sales department dominates the top performing thing. So library function is really good thing if you know all the functions in libraries. So from that libraries function only, this bar label library function only, we have done this, bar label kind of thing. So make sure you use those libraries to the point and use it uh, like make a full use of it, I mean to say. So that's all about it. That's the solid ranking. Now we know who's shining. Charlie is shining, I mean to say. In part 4, we will customize this visual with more colors and labels, wrapping up the series, the last video of this series, not the playlist. Okay, it's all come together. So let me tell you, give a thumbs up, subscribe and comment who would you promote based on this. See you in the final or last video of this series, not the playlist. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy coding and happy learning.